yi firi mu a enye yie enua e de kura oman na ade baako a me de hye dwumadi ana ensemo a me kana se ne se oti kokko so otumfuo se tutu ababio akasa na nasemo a no ka kire Ghana fu nyina ne se yema nokore eni yanim se yama nokore eni yanim a oman no be kachiri je fatu so mame or say Ghana will linger behind if we don't learn truthfulness. Eye nokre. Se yama nokre eni yenim. Na obia pese sebe ne pese minkuminya. Ne eyema no na ese eye. Na emum not for the entire the good of the entire country. Yenku yenim asoman. Se obia de ne personal interest and be interfere with the development of this country. Omaino yenko yenim. Eti de bia meka se duru si e ka Ghana asem a se ye bambo ho asem se ye sikasem tutuye ho asem bibi bia ye ka efa Ghana emamu ho asem ene de betumi ama Ghana ebia how abamu a ye ka ho asem passionately. Se we ye no kwafo a ubeyiwa manyosem arereniwa ato nchen na ya chichire oman yi. And asem way eye words of wisdom. Bibi fufuro bia nka we hu kra na ye di we amanyofo firi mampani so di kosi ase obia de sa nyansasem we a emu eduru to yakuma mu a I believe say Ghana enye se de atia na yamanyofo ye hu eduru ba bia asem a eye nokre na da ho a ese ye ka no ubehu se esanse bia enko maminti ni ahurakurani ni emiamia so ni etietia so enti ye ni nokre wo ba bia. That is why we are at this stage. Na enen kasaya ekoso ewo Ghana ha obi atimi gina social media so na oka de ope sebe yatimu atemdidie yatimu kasa twitwie yatimu kasa ahodo a enya etimi bom my kai se yewo ewiase we mu kasa keke ema wo man bi boy kasa keke kasa keke emo man bi boy. And so yen kasa ye ewo ya manyo semu ye bia no ese ye ma ehote na nokuredie edi yanim ne asisi a enei ebiwa ne ya chenkrofo ne ye ka ho ase ye beka nokure pa. Some of the words ne nsemu anipa no bi kan ya e ma ye chi om ye nyina ye nim se enye papa enya de ese society ne yesoso so but because ye de amanyosem be wuramunti no kura entimi nkoso amanyosem ye de be wuramunti no kura entimi nkoso enti entimi nhwe damfo anim nka nchen se damfo ade weyi a wo ye de enye no kura asa ade bi akoso kakra. Now that was last week. Me when I saw that video, in fact, na kakra say saadi ni bisi not baby bia say a police headquarters na and then there are twists and some kayano aye and society ade kire say ye ma different explanation to the AC no by you bibia your friend no logical reasoning adia ekoso no obedwene ho ede no ma atoto ho adwene ho an wonya nsusuye afrim. And so enya wo no a wo ka sem no ena obe make meaning amayen ba nsem no eba no obia ne se de obe make meaning afrim. Na kwaku ose kranche asiedu dodo na friend Koka me maka na ho asem what happen last week our police headquarters regional police headquarters in Accra na ogina ho ke kansem bi in fact na obo police ni bi asem so a chese wutumi se obo ne ntrene ani ade na ensem anu wo ka no ebini tie no
Koka o se na ede na ekoso
Koka se o ye ni mama e for do be Koka sani udi obi ani me maka from me sani udi obi ani me na we ni jesu pa o ko mu apa o do hu so o ma wo school case aye hu o hini a odi atem wantumi antunifu oba report obi o hyewi oba report wa fa no ye do ha you are already taking a side say we NDC ni okay say police is divided we understand but you know you have a family and you are just an officer a civil servant what you say tiasie the battle has just begun.
Enti ensem we na Koka ejina police station ho kai na enra menua pani obi ene eye Enoch Afuakwa a wono eye lawyer ni Koka etwetwe nkobo na ensem anu wo ka no ekire se asem anu Koka yi kan nyina no na oni obi a ye frɛ no boyo na oni no eko na mum enye prosifo na wo ka ho asem yentie ono so lawyer Afuakwa kakra
o issue threat be to a policeman binana
enye policeman na o issue threat ya ma no no on threat will be ye ni angaza ye internal security for ne ba ko aye friend no boyo na Koka eno no eyi na because of say oye party security ntire ya na ye friend police
okay
no na o ka chen say u police o no ya se party ni onye party penyin ti no aso ho keka no e wo form na ono no onya tumi a obekire boyo se de etie na boyo nso so ebusuafo na ono no si ono na busuane ne yachi ni se ya na se fasa kwan so obe se ya it is an encounter an interaction between ono and colleague ni nua enye bufu so ne ade a ntokwa bi anim but because the word police eba out no ntina Ghana police force so asoma more taking into that angle now and also responding to appropriately. He share as the day and you know the police for the catcher.
And that is the police mentioned in the video, no. Now any police as seen a Ghana police service officer.
There. Any Ghana police officer.
Boy or no, my friend police.
Boy, a friend police.
Oh.
Obi himself boy a friend police. Because boy or intelligence officer. It's a different intelligence, a different police, a different national security. You know, different. You know, can police, you know, and no margin and no see baby say Ghana police no refer to or no Ghana police any assembly. Now, or the national Ghana police force.
Now, at the time,
Koka you be or respected the Ghana police service. Pa now, Ocean and Kita who be on the Ghana police service one. I say a more cordial, a more respectful than to say. Or be threatening the Ghana police service. Never. Now, in
that video, at the time, na on a boy or no ins, and not boy or no one. Not boy or no
boy or no
or the police.
Ushe videos media. Ya call and I'm the blog as you I don't boy. You don't know catch a boy or say boy or can of form because police and Omudio Omukita Hudi or Mudidada. And you know. To have elevated this to the national level, no idea, but sometimes a miscommunication into the word police, no. It's a Ghana police service, and say about police there or more. Then so no money there's a differentiation. Say your Ghana police service or and now Obisu friend who police, Obi friend who lawyer on call law school. A jovial and a casual communication also between a friend, a party activist. Say the end is go by almost show. He said the old one among where you say it's really check come yeah bar. You may smash Ramon and say yes that kind. In Kenya only police for your name in your boy.
Only boy
and now almost you almost no.
Oh. Lawyer Enoch Afuakwa.
Osaibos.
No, lawyer, we brutal.
Fantastic journalist. We are brutal.
Lawyer Enoch Afokwa. No, Maji did too much. Maji did too much.
Obi Ghana for Judio.
We will be crying a bit confused. But my transcriber lawyer Edieni Osi Koka did not threaten any police officer. Rather, it was an interaction between the party's internal security member, popularly known as Boyo, whom everyone is in the party knows as police. The police he referred to was a party member nicknamed police, not the Ghana police. But the Koka can or video ni munyina no. Ya transcriber ha. Or see, you think when Mahama is going, he will go with you. He will leave you here. Me. I will sit on your happiness in this country. And you will see. You have children. You have a school. Why are you taking a side? Because you are NDC. NDC. The police is divided. We understand. You know you have a family. And you are just an officer. Officer keke. A civil servant. There's a be a bank. The battle has just begun. Okuna Shasye. And only and someone cook account video in the macacho. And my bo video, my bones watch earlier. Me question what Hannah say. The entire minute was shas and I make us yemma no cranny no mind tumpon say. Say ye be near fin said they be said ye see koy no and konia. We just have to be humble to apologize and I say ye bet yensin be assign. But my question is say boy or no ye NPP near. Edi na Koka beka se odwen se wo ye NDC ni nti Mahama e call de obeko wahu edi na obeka sa. These are my questions. Edi na Mahama e ne beja NPP ni a wo ye internal security e wo. These are the questions. Koka san so can say now police fo ni mu ache nti mi bisa se boy no a wo ye dipa ba akopɛ no se ni mu achecha na ye de sekan ato ni mu acheche ni mu because an wo kan wa ha. Or see the police is divided. We understand. Police for mu achichentia tiase. And I say police now what can your boy on boy ni ye nipa ba akopo ye security officer. E wo NPP mu ami bi se o ye de sekan atutu ni mu achicheche ni mu. Emienu. Ana miensa ana nine. This is logical reasoning. Ye bubu nsem ni mu. Does it mean say boy on ye nipa ya achiche ni mu? Now Koka Saka say you know you have a family and you are just an officer. A civil servant. Mi bisa o boy or no obewa busua de but the mi bisa ne say or a civil servant ana because the lawyer says or a party security internal party security civil servant so there yenim say or ya aban adwuma eti boy or no or ya aban adwuma na but per the lawyer no was say or your internal party security. Now you see what the way no mi jama wadwene. Oh, the entire maker say, Yemma or mine own. Politicians must be mindful of their words. And someone woman ya camera. Womoka near kukudrosu near a mentuasem, a titrasem near candy a pe. And then Omobe can semi in area no. A face say you do see a bisa accountability for their own words. Na fe enchiremuna mayenga ayekura yeti ne yadwuma ye etuti ya obiti ose me feel brita that what you say asem no a lawyer no pese o chiremu e defend no aye bibie ho until it is proven say boy no your officer, until it is proven say boy no your civil servant, until it is proven say someone was favoring another person e wo case bi a e kosumu a ono ye internal security of NPP no wako wura case mu police station e change case ni say be favor obi no. This lawyer's assertion cannot be admitted by me. That is my opinion. Me ntimi nyesa asem wentum And so better me say boy no ye nipa baako ye de sekan ato ni mu achiche ni mu nti the boy police as a person has been divided. Metiase. Because per Koka no or say ne police ni mu achiche. And this should be a lesson to all politicians. Munya camera and same be anamoka and na omo friend omo invite no and o mama ne bill 50,000 on bail. Say onko besaba na omo ahyase etieti because say utia na akoye sentreni obo we use police ninti obo ntreni de na say police for no obo omo ntreni so obehu the battle has just begun. Tina police for no so invite no so ombe hwesa asem no ahwe ne yi because say obi be threaten say de ehu and an lawyer so can in another other way. But one thing is that to me in my opinion until somebody proves as a boy no officer until somebody proves any more chiche until somebody proves we a civil servant until somebody proves a case to you a police station was a boy no gina mu or done case or twisting a man favor will be this assertion from you lawyer afo akwa yentimi nyintum yentimi nyintum. We also reason. Eya mama yehu se Ghana for no so yesu ye reason o. Yensu yetimi dwene. Hu se yen Ghana for so ye dwene. Na Koka must learn lessons from this. This is not the first time. Okasa obi anim onya camera de we obesi aye. Ene nsem obe kama na traso. Politics no ni nyina gu o my Ghana mu. Yanhwe ye kasa ye have already said say just words kasa keke. Ene ma wo man bi eja to mu no. And that's a big problem we have with politicians. Now my candidate, somebody may so be my candidate. Me say the problem of the NPP right now. Abronye Koka, a big problem for the NPP right now. But everyone is afraid to tell it to their face. And I like Nhyira edujemfine bakuya na no kasa wo uteki. Se Jeff Benya na nko de atoso am the Facebook or the beto wo kasa what you say there Abronye is a problem within the party but they can't say it. George Opoku Amponsa. Yeah. Or say Abronye is a problem within the NPP, but obi antiminka. Ene da hono. George Opoku Amponsa. And some bebre na ekoso no sabe eyinkura sesem. Na wugina camera nim na wo kansem said ya opebia. And then when you are called, na fe defense na be ye de wo kakura sabe ase Anthony Pasum. How can you tell me this? How can you tell me this? Say police ni nipa ni mu acheche. Or a party security bende yes or a civil servant. Just say and some no kura nse den sisi so. Yenya careful. Yenya man yosem de but o man no hu chen. Political parties no. Mu NDC NPP no. Mu nyina beto Ghana o. Me say NPP NDC ni nyina beto Ghana. When were these parties born? Sa NDC ni NPP no. Time by na mo form ye wo mo kura. And this and someone emwa wo man eno nko ade ehu. These guys Abronye Koka they are just doing something to attract Baumia's attention. Asa say be ya Baumia when he comes attention seeking enko adi omunya camera as yemfo mu sia gonkon. The attitude of insults and aggression near dear woman no chese. If you are even appointed as a minister, sabu, why ne bebu okromwa? And someone munya camera mo kan. Seba umiaba no afam mubi as CEOs as ministers. Why pa na mo expect say and someone mo akeka to mfrem mu no obebu mo okromwa. Eye too bad. Na yen ka no krenche damfo. Enje papa. Ye chichire wo man. Ebusia, yes.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5 FM.